morning. What a beautiful morning. Anyway, this morning I'm going to make something. I've been talking to my neighbour and about meringue, as you do. And she told me a way that she makes meringue, and I'm absolutely intrigued to find out whether it works. So I'm going to give it a go. It's not Slimming World, so, you know, don't make these if you're thinking they're Slimming World. They're not. So it's just a little experiment. So I thought I'd bring you along with me on my experiment. So what have I got? There's my blooming washing basket in the background. Look, God. So I have got, there we go, a bowl, a plate, some kitchen roll, my scales, an egg, and some icing sugar. And what I'm going to do is measure out 150 grams of icing sugar, and I'm going to sieve it into my bowl. Hopefully that'll stay on there. Oh. Every time I use these scales I complain about them, don't I? I don't do anything about it. Right. So, 150 grams. There we go. It's going to be a bit messy. Right. So get our spoon and we're just going to sift our icing sugar. Oh. Maybe do it like that. That's better. I can taste it. Clouds of sugariness in the air. Oh, it's lovely. Right. So once you've sifted your egg, oh good God, I'm at it again, I've only just started. Your icing sugar goes like a cloud of smoke. There we go. Serves me right for catching it in the air. Right. You are going to get yourself a mug and you're going to separate your egg white from your yolk. Now there's no whisking involved in this meringue, and you're going to cook it in the microwave. So I'm just going to pop that in there for a minute. I'm going to keep that because I'm going to make a frittata a bit later. I got some other egg yolks from yesterday because I made a Slimming World meringue yesterday. And then what you're going to do is I'm going to put half of that egg white in there, like so, and then I'm going to start mixing. And you're going to mix and mix and mix until all that icing sugar has gone into like a ball with the egg white. You may have to add a little bit more egg yolk. It's a bit messy, but you're going to keep going, keep mixing. And you can get your hands in there if you wanted to. Right, so I'm going to keep on mixing and mixing. I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more egg white. Oh God, I think I might have a wasp in here behind me. Yeah, go on, out. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, here it comes. What are you coming here for? You come to investigate, have you? don't even like wasps. She got stung by a wasp beginning of the summer. I did keep telling her, leave it alone, leave it alone. No, she wouldn't, and it stung her. So there you go. She hates them now. We've been out for a run, me and Kimmy, this morning. We've done 3 miles. She said hello to the swans. So follow me on Instagram, you'll see my pictures, clean date. So keep mixing. We're nearly there. And you've got like a paste. There we go. And you don't want it wet. You want it sort of dry. I'm going to add just a little bit more icing sugar to that, because I think that's just a little bit too wet. I don't know, I've never made them before. I just thought that made me sound like knowledgeable. No, I think it is a little bit wet. God, I'm making a right mess. Right, so let the kettle. Can't see, can I? Look. Right, so I'm just going to mix in this last bit. I'm not going to add any more. That'll be it. There we go. Right, so we've got our ball there. Okay, and what we're going to do, oh, it's very sticky. Wipe my fingers a minute. Then I'm going to get some kitchen towel and put it on an oven-proof plate. See, can you tip your bit? There we go. So I put my kitchen towel on my oven-proof plate, and then what I'm going to do is get some little bits about the size of a decent marble. Put one there, one there. Last one, a little bit more there. Then I'm going to pop them, little beauties, in the microwave for 40 seconds. Right, I'm going to move you a minute, alright? So I'm putting you down here. Oh lordy. Right, let's move this all out of the way so you can see. Can you see? Hello. Right. Shall I do 40? Yeah, let's do 40. Right. Things I can't see through my microwave door, so I don't know what it's doing. Apparently they can burn quite easily. I can't see a Scooby-Doo. No, nothing. Just gonna have to wait and see. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exciting. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it's worked? I've no idea. Let's have a look. Ooh. Hang on. God, bloody hot. Gee whiz, that's hot. Let's bring you back. Because they're white, you can't see them, can you? Hang on. They're hot. Can you see those? Meringues. Get them off. You peel them off the paper. And you've got a crumbly meringue. No whisking. No cooking in the oven for an hour. Leaving in the oven for an hour. I taste it. It's going to make a mess. Oh my god. That just melts on your tongue. I would show you, but it'd be disgusting, wouldn't it? Right. It appears. Wow. I just think how much sugar's in this. I just think how many sins are in this. I don't know. If anyone could work that out. God, it's a bit of a sugar rush. I should have had these before I went running. But yeah. You've got meringues. They're like meringue biscuits, meringue cookies. Suppose what you could do, look. I've got to wipe my hands, hang on. What you could do is get your light and creamy fromage frais. But I do think quark would work better with this because it's a bit thicker, isn't it? But you could put and then a few blackberries. I have no idea how you'd eat this. Now, how you attempt to eat this is beyond me, but I will give it a go for you lot. So hang on. I'm going to have to do it over the counter. So you're going to have to come back down here. So, are we ready? Ready? They are very crumbly. Messy. But they're bloody lovely. I don't know how many I could eat. Probably a few. But anyway. Oh, dear. But I'm wondering, I'm having a hit, I think. More mental than I normally am. I'm wondering, could I do a big one? Mega one? What do you reckon? What a mess. What do you reckon? Big one. Should we go for it? Go for a big one. So, let's take them off of there. I'll get some new paper. God, I've got some tidying up to do. Has anybody else made these? Can you comment below if you have? Because I've never heard of this. Right. Let's get me paste. going to give it a minute. A minute? Yeah, let's try a minute. Ooh, let's try a minute to start with. Right. Hang on. It's got 14 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. It started to burn. I can see it down there. Well, that's a shame. Right. Come back. Come back. Come back to the mess. Oh, hang on. I need me. Hang on. Oh, I can smell it. I've burnt it. Oh, that's a shame. If you want a big one, I suggest you do it for maybe 40 seconds. Peel off. You can just see where it's caught there. Can you see that? But there we go. You get the idea, don't you? And then you can pile that up with creme fraiche or cream. If you know, we're not doing Slim World with this, are you? So you might as well put bloody cream on it. Double cream. Chocolate shot, a few strawberries, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, got a meringue. Brilliant. Got people coming round, got some eggs and some icing sugar. How clever are they going to think you are? You could do 2 of these and pile them up, couldn't you? They are very crumbly, but I am impressed. Just melt in your mouth. I am impressed. So, that's what it looks like inside. So if you've made these, let me know. Or if you give them a go, let me know. See what you think. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, it's a bit random, I know. But something I wanted to try. Thought I'd bring you along in my randomness. Anyway, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.